Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Chrome user, like a lot of people are, there's a whopper of an update in the new version of Google Chrome, and not in features because there's not a lot to talk about, but in 23 security fixes. 23. That's a lot. Several of them are high severity. No word yet as if there could be some 0 days, but 23 security flaws. You got to fix that. So if you go into your Google Chrome browser and you go to the 3 vertical dots, go down to Help and About Chrome, you will actually be pushed to 124.0.6367.60.61.62, and depending on what version of you are, what operating system you are on. So this is the new version of Chrome. We've moved on from 123 to 124 on this version. Once again, not a lot of stuff front-facing. There's a few little things you can add through the flags, but these are experimental, and often I rather, it's better to wait for them to appear on their own. One of them is the ability to add a shortcut to install apps websites as apps easily. And it actually appears in the save and share where you can add a shortcut here if you go and enable it through the flags. Now, of course, 23 security flaws is what's important in this web browser. Once again, there's a lot of features. One that was not on by default is turned on now. So when you're on different tabs, you can just hover over the tab and you have the memory usage showing up for every single tab you're using in Google Chrome. But for the rest, really not that much coming up. We are wondering if, Microsoft Edge has added the Copilot AI on its browser. We are thinking that maybe with the next version, 125, we'll have the ability to add the Gemini AI to the browser, as Google is working on Gemini. So that could be the case for the next version of the browser. So we'll see what happens with that. So there could be a new icon and side panel for the Gemini AI. Once again, who is asking for this? No one. But these companies are pushing hard for AI to happen. So that means that if we have a whopper of a security update, 23 flaws here, that's going to go through on Brave, on Edge, on Opera, and other Chromium-based browsers within the next few days. So we will, of course, be moving on to a new version of a lot of the browsers at the same time. So make sure that you check it out, as it's a big security update that's happening right now. I don't remember last time I've seen so many security flaws fixed with a Google Chrome browser. Usually it's 3, 4, 5, 6, but now it's 23 today. So that's pretty much it for Google Chrome 124, available for different platforms, Linux, Mac, and Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.